Here are 7 buyer tips to help you win that next multiple offer scenario. Have you or someone you know lost that perfect home due to multiple offers? Well, here are a few tips that will help you win that next multiple offer scenario. Earnest money. Consider putting down a good chunk of earnest money, and that is anywhere from 3 to 5%. If you are getting an FHA loan, you are required to put down 3.5%. So go ahead and make that your earnest money. If you are getting a 100% finance loan, still put down a good chunk of earnest money and you will get that back at closing. Closing date. Have your agent contact the listing agent to find out the seller's time frame and do your best to accommodate that time. Closing costs. Do not ask the seller for closing costs. If you really need closing costs, go ahead and add those to your purchase price. Home warranty. Do not ask the seller for a home warranty. If you really want that home warranty, you can purchase one at closing for around $500 to $600 on average. Personal property. Do not ask the seller for items that are not being offered. Just because you see that great rotting lawnmower in the garage doesn't mean you should ask for it. Keep your offer as clean as possible. Price. Well, of course price is going to be huge for the sellers. Right now we have a ton of buyer activity, historic low interest rates, and extremely tight inventory. So really consider what you are willing to pay for that home, and don't be surprised with multiple offers that come in above listing price. Due diligence. Typically, you have anywhere from 7 to 14 days to get your home inspection completed. Consider shortening that window to 7 days to get that home inspection. Sellers really don't want to keep the home off the market for very long. And if you are a very seasoned buyer, consider writing in home is sold as is, contingent upon an acceptable home inspection. Well, I hope these tips help. If you have any questions, please let us know. We are here and ready to assist you. Remember to keep your offer as clean as possible to make your offer stand out above all the rest. I am Dianna Howell with the Howell Group at Keller Williams. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.